Okay, I bought a new ice maker for my whirlpool. And supposedly it's pretty easy. It's 1, 2, 3 bolts, and plug this thing in and make sure you get the water over here. Your water pipe's going to run right in there. It drains in here, it freezes. This is your electrical, so you're going to make sure you turn it off. These two you're going to just loosen. This one you're going to take out. So let's take a look at it. First of all, this is a whirlpool gold. And here's the ice maker. We take this out of here. Drop it pretty heavy. Put it over here. So I'm going to get all this stuff. I'm going to take it out of here and put. Alright, so here's the inside. I'm going to look over here. And you're going to see that I've got to take this bolt out. And I've got to loosen these two bolts on top. But before we do that, we're going to, of course, turn off the refrigerator. We're going to unplug it. So I pulled the refrigerator out, and I got to get back here and unplug this. So I'm going to pull a little bit farther. I'm going to go under here and unplug her. Now we know that we're not going to get electrocuted. I got my driver. I got the proper thing to take the thing off there. Reverse it. And I'm going to get on that bolt. Get on that bolt. Take that baby right out of there. Okay. So, whoops, I dropped it. Ah, shit. There it is. Okay, so we've got that unloosed. We've got to undo that one and that one. Just loosen them up so that we can pull this thing off. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to loosen those two bolts. I'm going to do it with my driver down here. And we should be good. Alright, there we go. This you only got to loosen them so that you can pull this thing off. You got to get in here to see it. Okay, so now I got her loosened. So now it should just lift up and come off. Of course, this one over here doesn't want to come off of here. There we go. So now, so now I've got it off of there, and it should slide right back on. This is where the water goes in, and here's your electrical. Okay, so this should just pop off. Should be able to just pull it right off of there. Okay, so now we've got our ice maker out. We've got to screw that one in, slide it on those two, but first we have to put in our electrical. Notice the green are on the top, white on the bottom. There's our water thing, and this one seems to be completely removed. So we're looking good. Like I said, there's no light in this thing. So let's go ahead and try and put in our new one. So you're going to need to save a couple things. You need to save this bar, and you're going to need to save this housing to put on front here. But everything else should work pretty good. This is how it's going to go on. We're going to push it right on there, and it'll lock right in. And it shouldn't be too hard. It should work pretty good. We're going to try right now. This is the old one. As you can see, it looks pretty much exactly like the new one. And hopefully it should work okay. We'll find out, I guess. Okay, the first thing we've got to do is get our electrical. We know the green's on the top. So what we're going to do is we're just going to push this right in there. Like that. And then they said that you want to kind of smush it back in there as far as you can. Right, so anyway, looks like I've got it on there. I want to make sure it's nice and tight and that no water gets in it. So we got to kind of push it back into here. And then this is going to slide into, this will slide right into your little spot. But this has got to be pushed back inside there once you get it on there real tight. And then we're going to set those two little things on there and screw them in, and we're done. And we're going to put our bar and everything on. Okay, so push this back in there as far as you can. And then you're going to get this little thing in the hole. Got her there. And then we're going to try to get these set right on there. Make sure that's back in there. That's in there. And looks good. Now we got to get our nut driver and tighten them. So we're going to come here. Okay, let's see if you can see it. Tighten it. That's there. Okay, we've got our two nut drivers in there. Looks like we got everything else. Looks pretty good. I got to put my last one in the bottom here. And to see how that works, I'm going to pull that off of there. That pops out. And I think this one should just pop out too. I've taken off the bar. I need that. Then I'm going to need to take this casing off. So this casing comes off pretty easy. You're going to need to put that on your one over here. Let's dry it off a little bit. Check it out. Okay, it looks pretty good. So we're just going to take that and just push it right on there. Bam, done. Now we got to put our bar in. First, we're going to put this side in. It's kind of hard to do while I'm filming. So we're going to push that in. We need to get it. Yeah, there we go. So that one's in. Now this one over here. So now what I've done is I've flipped my camera backwards. And it gives me the spot where this goes into. And that's it. That's it. Up is on, down is off. So up is on, down is off. Okay? Up, on, down, off. Now the question is, did we do this right? And is it going to work? We're going to find out in a minute because I'm going to plug it in. Okay, I plugged it in. I haven't got electrocuted yet, so we'll see what happens. And apparently, we are working properly. There's ice in there. So we did put it in good. And we got all the stuff back in there. Over here, how to do fingernails.